guys, in today's video I will going to teach you how to create Game Pass without spending any Robux. So first select Create. If you are new, it will put you in a different page. So now, I will be going to use my other account so we'll be able to see what will happen if you are new. So, again click Create. This is what will happen if you are new, but don't worry, you can continue by clicking Manage My Experiences. Now click your place. And then select Associated Items. Next, select Passes. Now click Create a Pass. To create a pass, you must first upload an image, which can be any image. First select Upload Image, then select any image from your file, then press OK. Also, you can change the name if you want, as I did here. And now press Create Pass. You now have a Game Pass without having to spend any Robux on the T-shirt Game Pass. Now, click your Game Pass. Then, select Sales. Turn on Item for Sale so that you can enter any amount you want. As you can see, creator earnings are only 70%. Which means that if you put 10 Robux and your Game Pass is sold, you will only get 7 Robux due to the tax. Finally, when you're finished, press the Save Changes button. And there you have it. You now have your own Game Pass without having to spend any money or Robux. Thank you for watching. If you want to know how to use it in StarvingArtist, watch my other video on how to price your artworks.